Hi y'all, good morning. It is Saturday, so happy Saturday. So I have a few little small hauls that I'm going to share, so I'm going to do them one at a time so that the videos are much smaller. This is a Dollar General haul. I got one of these jumbo clothespins. I think it was $1 or $2, maybe, I don't remember exactly how much, but it's really cute. I got some beading wire. This is for me to practice with and play with. Not really, I'm not doing anything with this yet. I found this. It's Re-Up, and it is recycled cotton, and it is Lion Brand yarns. 103 yards. So I thought that was really cute, and I thought I would make something with that. And then I got a new pair of fabric scissors. This is just to have on hand or in place a pair that I had to move to another purpose. So there's that. Alright y'all, I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.